Today we'll be making cherry jello with Soulera. What you'll need is 2 cups of cherries, fresh or frozen will work, 1 cup of undiluted cherry juice, 1 cup of water, 1 packet of unflavored gelatin powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free sweetener, and 2 tablespoons of Soulera. In a large bowl, add the gelatin, the sweetener, I am using a monk fruit stevia blend, and the Soulera. Next, we will mix it together. Once mixed, we will start boiling the water. When the water is done boiling, we will pour 1 cup into the bowl. We want to stir until all of the solids have been dissolved. Then we add in the cherry juice and stir. We can now add in the cherries. When we are done mixing, we can pour the Jello into whatever bowl we wish to serve it in. Lastly, we will cool the Jello in the fridge until it is solid. There we have it, cherry Jello with Soulera. Now time to dig in. Delicious. You know what? I think I'll go in for another bite. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.